Hello, I am Pankaj Ran and I am going to continue our topic log on to MS Access. In the last turn, we have learned about what is database, data and data hierarchy, and the types of database according to principle. There are two types of database according to principle. They are centralized and decentralized. We are using nowadays centralized database because in it there is no duplicacy, no inconsistency. It's share the uh, share the information with this particular standard. It support integrity. There is some standard rule for sharing. There are some proper advantages and disadvantage that here access of record is slower than the decentralized. Now, second type of categorization of the database is according to the according to the storage, and there are two types of database are there. Number one is flat database, and number two is a relational database. What is flat database? Flat database means when there in the database when there is one table and there is knows all types of relationship. What is relationship? Relationship means when there are number of tables and they are interlinked. They can be interlinked through some particular relations. In flat database there are not all types of relation can perform. Only one to one and one to many can perform, but not all type of relationship perform among the different table. And in relational database, and what is a relational database means here in a single unit some multiple tables can be used and they can be interlinked with each other with all types of relationship. And what are the all types of relationship? They are one to one to many, one into one, many to many. There are different types of relationship that can be applied on the relational database. And the concept of relational database is given by EF Code, and EF Code gave the 12 rules for the relational database. And now, what is the RDBMS? We know that DBMS. What is DBMS? It is database management system. And what is RDBMS means? It is a relational database management system. We have learned about DBMS, which is a database management system. Means it is an environment in which manipulation on database can be performed. In RDBMS, here also manipulation on records can be performed, manipulation on database can be performed, but here all types of relations can be established among the different tables of the database. So it is all about. And one more thing, DBMS is also known as 4GL. DBMS is also known as 4GL, but it is actually it is known as 4GL, but it is not fourth generation language. It is why it is known, why it is called as a 4GL? Because it is a environment in which language like facility can be availed. Means it is a software in which we can provide instructions for creation of new program as in general language. So it is a short form 4GL, but it is not fourth generation language. It is DBMS also called as 4GL, but it is not fourth generation language. It is a software which provide facility to write instructions just like in any language. That's why it is known as 4GL. Now there are different types of DBMS software. There are DBase, FoxPro, Foxbase. They are the DBMS software. And there are some RDBMS software. They are MS Access and Oracle, MySQL. There are different software which are used to manipulate records or table in the database database management system. So we have to introduce the MS Access. MS Access is a RDBMS, and means there it can facility to store multiple tables, and they can be related with each other. Now what is table? Table is, we have learned that table is a collection of records. And what is record? Record is collection of fields. And so here record are represented in the rows, and column represented in the and field represented in the column, and the value in the field is known as data. And independently data has no meaning, but when it is attached with the field, then it has a value. So basic thing of any DBMS or RDBMS is field. Basic is table. Everything is depend on table, but elementary unit of the table is field, because table is collection of record, but record can be made only if there are different fields. So we have to create different table, but we have to create different for the creation of table we have to create database. We can create database according to the two methods. Number one is template categories, and one is local template, and other is of MS Office Online. It is also template based. So their template can be categorized into, and you know what is template? Template is a predefined structure for creation of new thing. So there are two types of template: local templates and online templates. So you can select the desired template, and other is to create the blank database. Here nothing is created, nothing has to designed, you have to create on the basis of your desire and your type of fields. So feature is, suppose you select the local template. These are the local template. You can select any types of template. A database will be created. Now one more thing, in 2000 onward, different database which can be created with extension .accdb. The extension of the database file is .accdb, and from 2000 onward it was .mdb, and from the 2007 and onward it is .accdb. So extension of the database file is .accdb. When you click on the create, predefined structure of the table is created. It consists of first name, last name, email address, business phone, company, and job title. It is inbuilt. It is template. Only you have to enter your record. You have nothing to do, only typing the field value. This first name, last name, email address, business phone, company, job titles, these are the field, and when all the fields combined, they can make the record. So it is the environment of local template. Similarly, if there is a online connection, then there are different types of online connection, online template. You can select according to the requirement. Clear? So there are two methods of opening creation of database. One is template, and number two is blank database. In template, it is of two types. local template and online office template, and next is other is blank database. Now I am going to create the blank database. I select the new and click on the blank database, and you have to create, you can give the name of database. Suppose I give the name students, and I have to create the database. Now what is the extension, what will be the extension of this file? It will .accdb. You have to create here, nothing is here. Here you have to create everything. There are no fields. You have to create here no field, no field. You have to create the field. Now here the environment of the MS Access window after creating the document. There are this is what do you know what is it is? It is quick access. It is quick access toolbar. And what is the meaning of quick access toolbar? Means here, although you can put all those items which you want frequently, so that's why it is known as quick access toolbar. And it is menu bar. It consists of it is a menu bar, or you can say it is a ribbon which consists of different tabs: home, create, external data, database tool, data sheet, etc. These are the tabs. And the views, clipboard, font, rich text, record, sort, filter, find are the group of the home tab. And view, paste, cut, copy, these are the tools of the different group. Here similarly, and create table, create, there is a group: tables, font, forms, report, and others. And these are the tools of the tables group of the create tab on the ribbon. So you are well aware of that. And here it is a task pane. Whatever task you perform, it will be shown here, and from here you can work very easily. And here, when you write record, when you create a table and write record, then it will show the database environment or table environment. So I have learned that what are the components of the MS Access environment, and what are the different types of method to creation of table. Now I am going to create the table. But for creation of table, what is the elementary thing? It is the field. Now what is the field? Field is collection of data, and field is just a heading under which we can write data. So for creation of table, first we have to decide different types of fields. While working in MS Access, there are two types of views for working. Number one is basically four types of views, but main are data sheet view and design view, and other are pivot table view and pivot chart view. Basically in MS Access, four types of views are there: data sheet, design, pivot chart, and pivot table. But only main are data sheet and design. But main are design view and data sheet view. So in design view we have to design anything. It may be anything. And elementary component of the database is table. We have to working on it. But before working on table, let us discuss what are the other components of the table. Table is a main and elementary component of the database which is combination of rows and column, where rows represent the record and column represent the field. So other components of the database are: number one is query. What is query? Query is filtration of data according to the condition or according to the requirement. Next is form. What is form? Form is representation of data in attractive and efficient manner. Next is report. Report, what is the meaning of report? What is the importance of report? It is just like your report card through which you can understand your current position, and according to it you can decide, you can take decision according in which subject require more labor and more hard work. So report gives the summarized information of the table, and other modules are not in your course, but you have to know the name of them. Other are module. Module means you can write instructions for manipulation. Next is macro. What is the meaning of macro? Macro means you can record any set of instruction once and play whenever required. It is known as macro, and other is page. So these are the main components of the database in the MS Access: table, query, form, report, module, macro, and page. These are the component of the MS Access, but in your syllabus it is only table, report, form, and query. Now first start the elementary element of the database, which is table. Earlier we have learned that there are main two views are here. There are two views. Number one is design view, and number two is data sheet view. In design view we can design any report, any form, any query, any table, and in data sheet view it is just for a representation of the table, representation of the records. So for the creation of table, I click here, and we have to show according to the design view. First we have to show design view, and next we will show data sheet view. First you have to give the name of table, and there are such types of environment available here. When you create the table structure, here it is the format for creation of the structure. Now what is the meaning of table structure? Means it provides the skeleton for the table. That is, it gives the table, it gives the different types of fields for creation of the database. When a structure is created, then record value data value can be entered to make the record. So here this design window divided into two parts. In first part, here you can give the field name and along with it types, and in second tab there are two tabs. Second tab is field properties, in which you can set the properties of the selected field. You can set the properties of the selected field according to your desire. So these are the some environment and working environment of the database and creation of table. We will learn how to create table in the next turn. Thank you.